Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Miss Crochet and Coffee here. And as you can see, we have an unbagging. So this unbagging comes to us from Pretty Neat Creative. Now, I told you guys I had an unboxing coming from them, but I needed you to be open-minded. So please be open-minded. I have heard of something like this before, but I was just kind of like, no. But people have been questioning me and asking me about other things that you can do with diamond painting. So that's where this bad boy comes in. Now, I did use the affiliate code from Laura Law's Craft Corner. She is an affiliate with Pretty Neat Creative. So let's get inside, shall we? Let's cut this bad boy open. Now, it is in a bubble boot, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the bubble boot because I like the way Pretty Neat Creative, get rid of that trash, does it. I'm not happy with that, but as long as the box protected what's inside of the box, I'm okay. But I like the fact that they put their box in a bubble boot. But even though the box was apparently smushed, the bubble boot essentially was the... Imagine how much worse the box would look if it wasn't bubble booted. So we're going to give it a chance. We're going to hope and pray that the content was not messed up. So we're going to go ahead and push the bubble boot over there. So here we have it, our Pretty Neat Creative. Again, it's talking to you. Open me! Alright, so let's get in here. Let's see what I got. Now remember, stay open-minded. I saw this on their page, and I thought of Fruitini. If you don't know who Fruitini is, she is a tuber here on YouTube. Get rid of that box. Fruitini had done something called a Tattered Teddy. Now, I love all my UK folks. The way they say Tattered Teddy is the cutest thing on the freaking planet. I can't help it. Every time, no matter how sad I am, I could talk to like Cal Withington or Fruitini, and just the sound of their voice and their accent always cheers me up. So I remember at one time Fruitini was working on something with Tattered Teddy, and I was just like, oh, Tattered Teddy. So yeah, when I saw this on Pretty Neat Creative's website, I had to check it out. So what is it? Because this doesn't look like a diamond painting, right? That's because it is a diamond painting, but it's not a diamond painting. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is a diamond painting pillow. Yes, you heard right. It's a diamond painting pillow. Now, sorry, there's something. Oh, the zipper. I was like, what's that? So the symbols on here are really small. So let's take you down. But as you can see, even though they're small, they're very clear. And this obviously is a partial. It's a partial kit for a pillow. It's Tattered Teddy, and he's hugging a flower, okay? And then here's your toolkit. So you got your pumpkin spice, you got your green boat, some baggies, a blue pen, wax. You don't care about that. It is a round. Here is the legend. He has 24 colors. And you get a coupon code for my next order. Tells you the 6 steps to diamond painting. So if you're new to diamond painting and you need to take a second to pause that, read it, you know, whatever. Now, it says hang on the wall, but obviously I'm not going to hang a pillow on the wall. Now, when it comes to stuff like this, we're going to look at their drills. When it comes to stuff like this, you can't hang it on a wall because it's a pillow. So what I want to do is I want to kit it up and work on it, get it completely done, and this is a decoration. This isn't meant to sleep on or for your children to play with. I'm going to see if I can seal it. So, yeah, so let me see if I can figure out how to get the plastic off to work on it. Alright, so how do we get the plastic? Okay, I see it coming apart, but I don't see the plastic wanting to come off of it. Oh, here we go. I'm slow. Alright, again, it is a partial, so this part is not sticky. That part is sticky. So we're going to put that back over there. So it is tacky. Again, it has 24 colors. Let's do some inventory. I like how nice and bright their packing is. And those look like really nice quality drills. So let's see. Let's do inventory like a boss real quick, and then when I come back, we'll see if they're all there. Alright, so all of the colors are there. Now, they're not in order on here, which is fine, because as you saw, it only took me a few seconds to put them in order. They're not in order on here, so I'm not sure what the deal is with that. But all the colors are there to complete this. Again, it is a partial, so you're only coloring the Tattered Teddy and his little flower. So you guys will see me working this up. How would I work on it? Just like a regular diamond painting. I'm just going to pick a spot and start drilling. So, yeah. Have you guys tried any of the alternative ways to diamond paint, or alternative things to diamond paint, like pillows or blankets or anything? Have you done anything really super creative with your diamond paintings? I wanted to try this out just because of the fact that I thought it'd be a cute little addition to my pillow collection in my bedroom. So, yeah, and I know a lot of people were like, oh, I thought you were going to give that to Maggie. No, Maggie is too small to have something like this in her room because she still is at that age where she's curious. And she'll want to pick them off or try to eat them. This is not for children, folks. I will repeat, this is not for children. Do not give this to a child because you don't know if those diamonds can come off there. You don't want them eating or swallowing any of the drills. So if you're getting this, please get this as a decoration and not for a child. So we have everything we need to diamond paint. We got the, what was it? Over there. We got the toolkit, we got all of our drills, we have the pillow, and let's take a look at this. So let's examine this because I've been excited to see this. And again, this is from Pretty Neat Creative, and they have a couple of different designs, but I really like the Tattered Teddy. And then you would open it up, and the pillow part obviously does not come with it, so you can either put one of the pillows that you already have inside of there, and it feels like polyester or cotton or something on the inside. So it's not really rough. But you can put your own pillow inside of there. Looks like it is stitched up really nice. I'm probably just going to put some polyfill in it. And then it's going to sit on the couch here next to me. So yeah. So if you hold on a second, I'll get you some details on this. Alright. So the Tattered Teddy is, they call them diamond painting cushions. There are 6 designs. There's one with flowers and a bird cage. There's a butterfly. There's a moon with a horse. There is a Christmas one with a little fat bird and a Santa hat. And then there's some flamingos. And then, of course, there's Tattered Teddy here. They run $29.95 on their website. And again, I used Laura Law Craft Corner's affiliate link because she is affiliated with them. So if you would like her affiliate link, you will have to go to her channel and look for, just take a look at her last Paint with Pretty Neat Creative unboxing, and she'll have the affiliate information in there. But with that said, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to be open-minded because I know not all diamond paintings are going to be like on just like a cloth or a piece of oil canvas or whatever. This is the future, folks. This is something that's happening, so we're just going to roll with it. Either way, I do like it. I love Tattered Teddy, so I'm going to give it a try. Of course, you guys will see me working this up, and you'll see what I do with it when it's done. And I'll give you final thoughts on like the drill quality and stuff, because so far that I can see out of the bags, which mean nothing, There doesn't seem to be a lot of trash. The drill quality looks really, really good, and the numbering on them, it looks really good, so they'll be easy to label. And of course, I can put this through the Xeron sticker maker, and boom, label. So other than that, I have to say I like it. The symbols are clear. They're a little small, but they're clear, and I can still read them. So this will probably be the next thing up in queue after my DIY moon shops. I'm getting some smaller projects done and out of the way before Christmas, because during the month of December, I will be doing diamond paintings that are holiday related. So yeah. But with that said, folks, thank you so much for watching. Write down in the comment section, what do you think? Would you ever think to diamond paint a pillow? Is this just something that's too far beyond you and you're just like, no, diamond paintings are for flat surfaces and cloths, not for pillows. Write that down into the comment section below. But with that said, folks, if you're not already a subscriber and have been thinking about it, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified anytime I randomly decide to put up a video. And believe me, it's random. With that said, folks, I'm going to bid you adieu. But not before I remind you, like I always try to. Be kind, be courteous, be cool. Bye, guys.